food constitutes a very important part of the festival, Dr. Ankita. And in this respect, what is so special about the festival that strikes you?
In many things, there are so many things actually to talk about regarding the food and the special feast, the delicious feast that is prepared on the occasion of Ningol Chakoba. It is known as Utsav, or in Manipuri language, it is also known as Chak Chanaba. Chak Chanaba or Utsav, and it is prepared by the cook who is especially arranged. The cook is especially arranged for the day by the Ningol's family, and the preparation for the feast, it begins early in the morning itself. All the siblings, friends, neighbors, family members, including the parents of the Ningos, they all sit in the ground together and have their relishing lunch. But the participation of neighbors in the lunch is, however, optional, depending upon invitation by the host. And in case the neighbors join the feast, they also bring gifts of clothes, vegetables, homegrown rice and fruits for the Ningols to take to their husband's home. Many families, they ensure that the feast or the utsav is prepared in the same old kitchen from where the Ningol had enjoyed having her food together with her parents and siblings before she got married. So every effort is being made to ensure that the taste buds of the Ningols are carefully kept in mind while preparing the meal. Coming to the food, fish forms the major food item in the Ningol Chakoba menu. And two varieties of fish, rohu and sareng, they are the most craved after delicacies. In fact, rice with fish curry is the staple diet of the Metis of Manipur, and in fact for most of the communities of Purvottar Bharat. And the Metis of Manipur, they are especially fond of certain particular varieties of fishes like pengba, khaba, hilsa, etc. And all these different varieties of fish, they are included as a part of the extensive and lavish non-vegetarian menu on the occasion of Ningol Chakoba, obviously depending upon the affordability of the respective families. And since the Metis are known to love the bitter taste of a particular plant called suktani, which is abundantly available in the thick forests of Purvottar Bharat, especially Manipur, Mizoram, and Nagaland. So this plant, suktani, its crushed leaves are served in the form of a dry sabzi as a starter with rice. And as a tradition, the food is served on banana leaves, with bamboo shoot pickle being one of the most important items on the side. And fish curry and eromba. Eromba is a chutney of fermented fish, which is also a popular delicacy in the states of Manipur and Nagaland. And Iromba is one of the signature delicacies of Manipuri cuisine as well, and it is a must item of Ningol Chakoba. And it is believed that in the absence of Iromba, the Ningol Chakoba feast is incomplete. And the love for fermented fish, actually, it is a common thread that unites the different states of Northeast India, because we find different dishes of fermented fish in the different states of this region, and it is almost a customary ritual in every household here to preserve fish so that they never run short of it during the lean season.
Right.
And the Ningol Chakoba feast, it ends with one last course of sweet dish. And this sweet dish is prepared with this Manipuri black rice. It is known as kheer, the sweet dish, or sometimes it is also a fruit salad. Okay, and the market demand for fish, it witnesses a huge surge during, just a few days ahead of the festival, and huge crowds of people could be seen making a huge line in front of the fish stalls waiting for their turn to come, and customers, the excitement could be seen there. And in order to liven up the festivities, special fish fairs come, fish crop competitions are also held in different places. Fishing and angling competitions are also organized in several districts of the state prior to a few days of the festival, and these are thronged by thousands of people. Generally, they are held 2 to 3 days before the festival, and these fishing and angling competitions. They are organized under the initiative of the State Fisheries Department of the government of Manipur, and various species of local freshwater fish, they are being displayed for sale at one place and at a low market price. And so like Ningol Chakoba has arrived, it's kind of like that, and hundreds of stalls are put up by the fish farmers who come from far away places to take part in these fairs, and this
Right.
also helps save time and money on the part of the buyers. A temporary fish market is also being put up by the State Fisheries Department at the Imphal Hapta Kangjebung, which is one of the world's polo grounds and also the main venue where Manipur Sangai Festival is held every year during the month of November, December. And here at the Imphal Hapta Kangjebung, fish is sold at cheaper rates to attract customers from various socio-economic strata to purchase as much fish as they want for Ningol Chakoba.
Please remember to subscribe to us and switch on the notifications for this channel. For our other social media links, more content, and to support our work, please visit citti.net. Dhanyavad. Namaskar.